Toskobosio Omonchoreria mokonyi bomurai bwense kituri kindiki orairo OMOSANGEREREKANO bogonchoreria boso bobonchoreria wechisekta ao chiabanto nyena somo chio Nairobi Egeikaro gentunde yemerongo bere na kabere egegokorekana kero mwaka nigo gikirano nabonchoreria ao kurwase chinse cha Africa oske kindiki nigo bonatebire chinchera bagochia boso baereire chinchera bagochia kobwatarana ne chinse chinde erikwana kyango tinye baro bonchoreria.
Nairobi is the vibrant heart of Africa's financial and technological transformation, a city which is distinguished by its dynamic fintech landscape, robust capital markets, and thriving innovation ecosystem that continues to shape the future of Africa's digital economy. As the government of Kenya, we recognize private equity and venture capital as critical drivers of structural transformation, accelerated industrialization, and sustained long-term productivity growth. Accordingly, the government of Kenya views this conference as a strategic platform for aligning private capital with Africa's development priorities and the evolving global investment architecture. This convening reflects strong and sustained collaboration, and I commend AVCA for its 25-year legacy as a leading champion of private investment across Africa. Your role in educating, connecting, and convening global allocators has been instrumental in shaping and expanding the continent's private sector ecosystem. I also recognize the Nairobi International Financial Center Authority for its strategic leadership in positioning Nairobi as a premier regional financial hub, as well as the East Africa Venture Capital Association for ensuring that domestic and regional capital remains firmly integrated into the global investment conversation. The theme, your theme, Break the Mold, Reshaping the Future of African Private Capital, reflects the current Kenyan and African reality across the continent. We are actively rethinking on how we finance development beyond traditional reliance on public debt towards the mobilization of private capital.
Omonchoreria bono tuika homwerio asoko